Alright, so if you guys are new to the Broward County area, then you might not know about this event called Supercar Saturday, which takes place at Lamborghini Broward, which, as you can tell by the title, is pretty much a big gathering event of supercars. Now, I went to this event last month. This goes on every second Saturday of the month, and I honestly had a very great experience. I saw a lot of cars I thought to never seen like ever in my existence. And if you guys even follow my Instagram, then you would probably see pictures of some of the cars I saw there. And what I decided to do this month was pretty much to take you guys along for the ride. Now, because I am very antisocial and a very big introvert, instead of just having the camera around talking, pointing at cars that I kind of don't know much outside of their names, I'm instead going to attempt at giving you guys a little cinematic video of the Supercar Saturday event. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so unfortunately I have to cut this thing short because I am actually now extremely late for work. I was supposed to be at work like right now. So that's pretty much everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the little cinematic that I gave you guys. There's still so much that I could have shown. I was only at like the front-ish part of the entrance, but again, there's just so much stuff there that I just didn't have enough time to really show you guys everything. But that's a good gist amount. A lot of supercars. You also had a lot of imports like the R32s, NSXs, and Again, it was a pretty fun experience. I wish I had more time, but gotta work, even though I am extremely late for it. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, it's been your boy Randy Thomas. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these, and I'm out. Peace.